What if just 5 minutes a day could completely change your English? I thought it was impossible until I tried this simple daily habit. Welcome to Fluent Speak Lab. Today is day 14 of your English speaking journey. In this lesson, I'll share the simple 5-minute habit that helped me speak English more naturally, build confidence, and stay consistent every single day. For a long time, I believed I needed hours to improve my English. Whenever I had free time, I told myself, I'll study later. But later never came. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. My English stayed almost the same. Now say, 5 minutes is enough to start. Good. Again. 5 minutes is enough to start. Excellent. One morning I made a simple promise. I didn't promise to study for 2 hours. I promised to practice English for only 5 minutes. Just 5. No excuses. No pressure. The first day I described everything around me. This is my phone. My coffee is hot. The weather is beautiful. Simple sentences, simple words, but I spoke every one of them out loud. Now say, I speak every day. Very good. The next day I did the same thing. 5 more minutes. I talked about my plans. I am going to work. I want to improve my English. I will practice again tomorrow. Something interesting happened. Because the practice was so short, I never wanted to skip it. 5 minutes felt easy. Easy habits become daily habits. Daily habits create big results. Now say, small habits create big success. Excellent. After 1 week, my confidence began to grow. I wasn't afraid of speaking anymore. Not because I had learned thousands of new words, but because I had built consistency. I finally understood that fluency isn't created in one long study session. It's created through small actions repeated every single day, and that tiny 5-minute habit became the foundation of my English journey. 1 week passed. My 5-minute habit became the easiest part of my day. I no longer asked myself, should I practice today? I simply started speaking. Now say, I never skip my practice. Good. Again, I never skip my practice. Excellent. Every morning I set a timer for 5 minutes. When the timer started, I spoke only in English. Some days I described my room. Other days I talked about my family, my goals, or what I planned to do after work. I didn't worry about difficult vocabulary. I used the words I already knew. Now say, simple English is enough. Very good. One afternoon, while waiting for a bus, I quietly practiced in my mind. I looked around and described everything. The bus stop is busy. A man is reading a newspaper. A little girl is smiling. Without realizing it, I was thinking directly in English. That small habit turned ordinary moments into English lessons. Now say, every moment is a chance to learn. Excellent. A few days later, a tourist asked me, "Excuse me, is this the right bus for the city center?" This time I answered immediately, "Yes, it is." The next stop is the city center. The conversation lasted only a few seconds, but it proved something important. Daily practice was working. I didn't panic. I didn't translate. I simply spoke. Now say, I speak with confidence. Good. When I got home that evening, I realized I wasn't becoming fluent because I studied for hours. I was becoming fluent because I showed up every single day. 5 minutes had become a powerful habit. and powerful habits create powerful results. Now say, consistency changes my life. Excellent. From that day forward, I stopped looking for perfect study plans. I focused on one simple promise: practice today, then practice again tomorrow. Because success doesn't come from doing something once. It comes from doing the right thing every single day. 30 days later, I looked back at the promise I had made to myself. Just 5 minutes a day. At first, it sounded too small to matter, but those 5 minutes had completely changed my routine. Now say, small actions create big results. Good. Again, small actions create big results. Excellent. I was speaking more confidently. I understood more English. I no longer searched for excuses. Practice had become a habit. One evening, I joined an online English conversation group. People from different countries were sharing their stories. When it was my turn, I introduced myself with a smile. I talked about my job, my hobbies, and why I wanted to improve my English. I spoke for several minutes without stopping. Of course, I made a few small mistakes, but I didn't let them stop me. The other learners understood me, smiled, and encouraged me to continue. Now say, I speak with confidence, not perfection. Very good. That moment taught me the biggest lesson of my journey. Fluent English isn't built in one day. It's built one habit at a time. 5 minutes today, 5 minutes tomorrow, then another 5 minutes the next day. Those small moments become months of progress. Now say, my future starts today. Excellent. If you think you don't have enough time to practice English, remember this. You don't need one free hour. You only need 5 focused minutes. Start today. Speak out loud. Repeat simple sentences. Trust the process. One day, you'll realize that the habit you almost ignored became the reason you can speak English with confidence. Now say, I will never give up. Excellent. Today is day 14. Keep showing up. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. Because every small step brings you closer to fluency. Congratulations on completing day 14. Remember, success in English doesn't come from studying once in a while. It comes from practicing a little every single day. Start with just 5 minutes. Stay consistent. Believe in yourself. If today's lesson inspired you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Fluent Speak Lab. Share this lesson with someone who wants to speak English confidently. I'll see you in day 15. Keep speaking, keep learning, keep growing.